Transferring was a very difficult decision for me. It meant moving thousands of miles away from home. Ultimately, I transferred because UND offered such a unique combination of practical exposure to the aviation world, practical experience at the best flight training institutions and collegiate aviation programs in the country, while also getting the full campus experience. My name is Grayson Orne. I'm from Camden, Maine, and I'm a double major in Unmanned Aircraft Systems operations and political science. The UND's political science program has taught me to think critically. It's taught me to be engaged in my community, and it's taught me to be a public servant. Being a UAS major to me is to be interdisciplinary and to be really innovative in everything that I do. While I myself am less inclined to go into more UAS operator jobs in the future, the degree has pushed me towards being innovative as a policymaker. I was fortunate enough after my freshman year of college to get an internship with the Northern Plains UAS test site, a research facility located in Grand Forks, affiliated with the university, where I was working on really novel and complex UAS integration issues and airspace issues. And all of that combined really showed me that there's a possibility to combine my love of aviation with my love of policymaking and trying to pursue public service to make the world a better place. It was an incredible experience. From day one, they put me in charge of reviewing regulatory applications. And they really trust us because they know that the quality that UND provides in their UAS program makes us effective as operators and professionals. So they're ready to take us and put us directly on active projects rather than something that's more a traditional intern project. I'm someone who always advertises and encourages getting involved on campus. I think it's the best way to get to know your fellow students, and I made some long-lasting friends here at UND. And further, getting involved in student government, other student organizations, Greek life has pushed me to know everyone across campus. My UND experience has been nothing short of an incredible decision. It's everything that has made me into who I am today has been, in a lot of ways, because of UND. It's just pushed me to be better as a leader, to be better as an individual, and to be better as a public servant. And all in, it's made me someone who is well prepared to graduate in just a few months, is well prepared to start on my career in the future, and I'm incredibly thankful for that, UND for that.